Here we go.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this half Joker, half Harley Quinn look. And I'm starting off with the Hourglass Ambient Primer. Rubbing that in all over my face. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild paint pot in just white, and I'm going to rub that all over half of my face, starting with my finger, and later I'm going to go in with a brush. Here I'm taking my makeup spatula and I'm drawing a perfect line right down the middle of my face, and I'm using that to literally dig in and scoop out the white. Now I'm taking my brush and I'm getting my ear so it's a little more consistent, and then I'm rubbing that all the way down my neck. Now with the Wet n Wild foundation, I'm going to put that all over the other side of my face, and then I'm going to blend that in as well. Here I'm using the Flower Beauty sponge. It's one of my absolute favorite sponges, probably top 2. Now with my Rimmel Stay Matte foundation, I'm just going to wait and put concealer on. I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. I'm putting that in all my normal places to make my face look a little more dimensional. Now I'm taking that powder and I'm going to pat that in all over my face to make sure nothing is left tacky, and all of our powders are going to blend nice and smooth on top. Now with my RCMA No Color Powder, I'm just going to pat that in all over the white to make it whiter. Always remember to pat, not sweep, that way whatever is underneath is not getting pushed away. Now with my Just Peachy Mattes palette by Too Faced, I'm going to take this nice pinky peachy color right here and throw that into my crease. I'm not being very precise with it because I kind of want it to look like I got punched in the face, but with makeup, because Harley Quinn is very non-conventional, shall we say. Now with this hot pink from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I'm just going to go into my crease. Keep that one a little bit lower than my first color. I'm using circular motions followed by sweeping motions in order to blend this out and make it nice and pretty. I am only bringing this in about halfway through my eye because the other half we're going to do in a blue shade. Since only half of our face is Harley Quinn, I want to get both of those colors in there. Now with this tealy color, we're going to go into the inner half of my eye and start building up that blue. Now with this darker blue shade, I'm going to go in right on top of what we just did. I'm really trying to deepen this blue so it looks less green and more like a nice royal Harley Quinn blue. Now with this darker shade, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to pat it in so I get a nice color payoff, and I'm going to blend it out. Now with my Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette, I'm going to take this nice pretty blue shade right here, and I'm going to take my middle finger and pat that all over the right side of the blue, right where it meets the pink. Now I'm going to take this light shade, and I'm going to do a little highlight with it. Again, using my ring finger so I'm gentle on my eyes and not pulling at my skin. Now with this pretty pink shade, I'm going to do the same thing we just did with the blue, only on the pink side. Alright, now back into this peach palette, I'm going to use this dark shade right here, and I'm going to deepen the outer V of my pink side. Alrighty, now using my Milani blush, I'm just going to add a little bit to my cheeks. Or cheek, shall I say. Now with my Milani bronzer, I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit on my Harley Quinn side. Now I'm going to take some little sample brush I got from Sigma, and I'm going to apply some red lipstick. This is from a lipstick from NARS. I got it in a sample pack, so I don't know what the name is. Now I'm going to use a really shitty eyeliner, and I'm going to outline Rotten onto my cheek and a little heart underneath my eye. Both Harley Quinn staples. I'm putting this Rotten right in my contour, so it kind of falls into the shadows, and both helps me contour and looks nice. I'm going to fill in my eyeliner. I'm using an NYC eyeliner that the entire label has rubbed off, and I don't think you can even buy it anymore, but it's my favorite eyeliner from the drugstore. Now I'm going to take my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to add some mascara. Now I'm going to take a NYX lip liner in this really bright pink color, at your own risk, my friends. And I'm going to take my NYX blue eyeliner and fill in the side on the pink side. Now I'm using these lashes from Ardell Lashes, and they're actually called Batgirl. That's hilarious. Now I'm going to hide my entire face so you can't see what I'm doing. These were super hard to work with, so I'm taking my time and really pushing those into my lashes. Now with this purpley pinky shade, I'm going to go in on my Joker side with a giant brush, and I'm going to take that all over the place. Notice how I'm just being crazy with it because the Joker is not known for his sanity and organization. So we're just going to go all over the place with this. Now with this pinky purpley shade, I'm going to go in with a slightly more dense and less fluffy brush. I'm going to go in all over the crease. Again, I am not being precise, I am just going with the flow. Again, I'm going for the punched in the eye with color look. Now with this nice dark purple shade, I'm just going to put that all over the place. Make it nice and dark and purpley. Now with my Anastasia Subculture palette, I'm going to go into this dark purpley brown called Rowdy. And I'm going to bring that into the outer V to really deepen it out. And I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm blending, blending, blending. Now with my green NYX eyeliner, I'm going to fill in my brows for a nice, crazy Joker brow. Oh look, there's my dog. Now with that same lipstick I was using over on the Harley side, I'm going to outline the crazy Joker smile. And now I'm just going to start blending that out, making it a little more untidy and crazy looking. I really want to keep this middle line defined, sort of like we cut our face, Black Dahlia style. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick from their Fire Dragon, Ice Dragon collection. And then I'm going to take my makeup spatula and blend that out some more, redefine the line, blend it out, etc., etc. Next I'm going to go in with my Lord & Berry purple eyeliner and tightline my waterline. Now I'm going to add my Batgirl lash to the other eye. And here's your final look. Thank you for watching. I had a ton of fun creating this. It was really fun. I haven't really seen many superhero movies or anything, so I did my best with what impression I could find. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time, and stay tuned for more.